Hey everyone! Today, we've got a quick and handy tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Whether it's a friend you accidentally blocked or you've had a change of heart, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account from which you want to unblock someone. Once you're in the app, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, locate the three horizontal lines or the gear icon at the top right corner of your profile. This is your settings. Tap on it to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for Block. This is the section where you'll find a list of all the accounts you've blocked. Scroll through the list of blocked accounts to find the person you want to unblock. Once you've found them, you'll see the option to unblock. Tap on it, and Instagram will prompt you to confirm your decision. Confirm the unblocking. And you're all set. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to unblock someone on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any other tutorial requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Instagramming.